Hi guys, so are you craving that ultimate comfort food classic that brings back all warm, cozy feeling? Today we are making a beloved Italian American staple that everyone adores, our incredible meatball spaghetti. This isn't just a simple pasta, it's a celebration of tender, perfectly seasoned meatballs bathed in a rich, slow-simmered tomato sauce, all twirled with al dente spaghetti. We'll show you how to make meatballs that are juicy and flavorful, and a sauce that tastes like it's been cooking all day, even if you don't have all day. Whether it's a family dinner or a cozy night in, this recipe is a guaranteed winner. So grab your ground meat and your pasta and let's get cooking. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. And if you want me to try any particular recipe, then please do comment and let me know. I'll try my best to do it. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to make the meatballs, in a bowl add 500 grams beef mince, 3 garlic cloves chopped, add some salt to taste, half cup breadcrumbs, 4 tablespoon milk, 4 tablespoon grated parmesan cheese, 1 whole egg, half tablespoon parsley dried, and then give it a nice mix. And rest it for about 15 minutes. Then to cook the pasta, keep water for boiling. Cover it and allow it to boil. Then take the marinated minced meat and take a plate and take some cooking oil and apply the oil on the palm of your hands. And simply shape the minced meat into small balls. Make sure that the meatballs are small in size. Make sure the size is something like this. Do the same to all the remaining mix. Applying oil on your hands will allow you to make the shape perfectly. Then check on the water which was kept for boiling and add 1 kg pasta. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon cooking oil and then give it a nice mix. Then cook it until the pasta is 90% cooked. So the pasta is 90% cooked now. Also make sure to remove about 1 bowl pasta water to use it later when preparing the meatball pasta. Then simply strain the pasta. Then to make the meatball spaghetti pasta, in a hot pan add oil. Then simply fry the meatballs. Fry it until it is nice and golden brown. Fry it for about 14 to 15 minutes. So the meatballs are almost ready now. As you can see, that has got a nice golden brown color. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. Then in the same pan add 5 garlic cloves chopped, add half tablespoon chili flakes and fry it for few seconds. Then add about 700 grams tomato puree. Then give it a nice mix. Add some salt to taste and then allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the meatballs and give it a nice mix. Then add 1 stock cube and then give it a nice mix and cook it for about 2 minutes. Let the meatballs nicely cook in the tomato sauce. Then add the cooked pasta and add 1 bowl pasta water which was previously kept and then give it a nice mix. Let the pasta nicely cook in the sauce. If you like your pasta to have more sauce, then add less pasta. For me, I do not like a lot of sauce. Then add 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, add half cup basil roughly cut and then give it a nice mix. Let the cheese nicely melt in the pasta. So the meatball spaghetti pasta is ready. And there you have it guys, your very own classic and incredibly comforting meatball spaghetti pasta. Just look at those tender juicy meatballs and that rich beautiful sauce coating every strand of pasta. This is truly the definition of Italian American comfort food. I truly hope you enjoyed making this recipe. It's the perfect hearty dish for a Sunday dinner or a cozy weeknight meal. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it turned out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.